song instead. To learn my measurements, to learn my measurements. Length, weight, and capacity. Conversions are now easy. Now I know measurements. Now I know measurements. 1,000 grams, a kilogram. 100 centimeters is an M. 1,000 meters, a kilometer. Get ready, 'cause I learned my stuff. I know it now, I'll show you how. And we know there's 12 inches in a foot, 36 in a yard, 3 feet in a yard. And that's how you measure lean. That's how long something is. That's how long something is. That's how long something is. And that's how you measure lean. 16 ounces in a pound, 2,000 pounds in a ton, 1,000 grams